How to set an all-on-time cooking program in your buffalo combination oven. Simply select the multi-cook icon. Select the cookbook. Select breakfast. Select the item you want to cook, and then swap over to all on time. Once you select this, you can then load up your recipes. Once you've selected your programs, you can simply save it as a one-touch program so it will load every time. Down here we have our favorites. So for instance, if you wanted to add more in, you simply select the product and add it. Then of course you can press start. From here, the oven will preheat up to the cooking temperature, and then it will indicate which product to put in at the right time, to enable all the cooking to finish at the same time. The oven will start the longest program first, in this instance being sausages. As the timer countdowns, the oven will indicate which products to put in next, until we go on to the lowest time duration, which will be the fried eggs. And then, of course, everything will be cooked at the same time, hence the name All On Time. And that is how you set an all-on-time program on your buffalo combination oven.